Alright, so, since I have like 2K views on the radar script thing, and a lot of people are asking questions, first of all, what you want to do, if you want to make sure that this is all working and stuff, if you got the name of something wrong, or you did something wrong and weren't paying attention, I advise you not to fucking just copy and paste and that's it. That shit won't make you learn. You won't learn anything. You're just copy pasting. You're not doing anything. So don't fucking copy and paste and actually fucking watch video. Alright, great? Good. I love you if you did. So in the main script, main UI, you want to name it whatever the fuck you want. Doesn't matter. And the important thing, because it references it in the script, which it really should do a better job than just doing script.parent. Name that main, your script that everything, or the frame that everything will be in. You want to name that main, and in workspace, you create a folder and name it map, and then put all your parts in it. You can't have them in or anything. So now what you want is make sure that your script looks like this. This is the fixed version. In the video I made a mistake, and I'm sorry for that. And I also posted a paste bin that's broken, and a paste bin that also has the mistake in it. But I did post, if I can find it. My internet would decide to work. OBS isn't very forgiving when it comes to your CPU. Sometimes it's fine, sometimes it's not. Depends what I'm doing. Like if I'm constantly switching tabs and stuff, then it doesn't like it. Plus my internet is absolute shit right now. Why can't I find it? It's the one with the brick in it, yes. So here, this video, make sure the pinned comment, this is your paste bin if you want to copy and paste, or if you just want to make sure your script is okay, because that mistake. This guy right here, question from this guy, I answered it somehow, I don't remember, I think I might have been at my trailer and wasn't able to answer properly. I don't know why that 7 is there, but whatever. If you want to turn this into a surface GUI and take apart, obviously put the surface GUI in it. And then you make a frame, name it main. Instead of creating a local script, you want to create a server script. And then from there, take this and do that. But instead of going through this entire thing and replacing torso with the current position of this part, you just want to do that parent. And then that should display it on whatever side this is on. It'll display it, but you might just want to put it up to whatever, hold on. Or reference the player, which you don't need to do. Oh, and you want to get rid of that. And I'll just go into this. So Roblox recently updated their UI system, and I think it's absolute shit. That's just my opinion. What is going on here? I don't see anything on it. Is there anything inside the part? There is. Let's just disable that for a sec. Alright, what seems to be the problem here? Oh, currently it's rendering shit outside that. So you get the basic point with that. You get the basic point with that. Now, this, you would want, I think, circles is just the worst thing ever to do when making a radar, because Roblox doesn't like circles. So let's just take quick circle decal thing. Just take that. And you want to create obviously an image label, if I can find it. So then you want to size that up to what the main frame is. Fuck. I accidentally put the decal on there. There. So you have your circle there, and yeah. There, you have your circle, and in this part of the script, change it to like 50 or something. Yeah, there. That works. that works. Alright. I'm just gonna undo all that shit. Change this back to 200. And don't follow these tutorials up by this fucking kid. He's an ass. Pretty much every tutorial on Roblox like this, you won't learn anything from it. I haven't watched it, but I can just tell. I don't really watch tutorials on anything, and I didn't when I was learning. I didn't make anything in replicated storage. Oh, this guy's just asking random shit. You're welcome. What do you mean? Just the thing isn't actually like. Hold on. Is it? I'll just. Alright. Motherfucker said he can't read it. Mean. The video was in 1080p and he can't read it. Alright, I have a shitty microphone. Right now I'm using my headset so that you don't hear my typing on my keyboard. I did that on my old desk, which was made of wood, and it was like really thick, and it wasn't really great wood either, so like when I tapped on it, then it would make a loud noise when I'm typing. Yes. Yes, there is a way, but that way obviously is less consuming on memory, but it's a lot harder to align everything properly. Yes, I did that after the video. Basically, you just want to do this, but go through each player and then find if they have a torso or not, or a root part. Do root parts now because of R15, it's more reliable. Then you just want to do all these calculations and add their dot, stuff like that, right? That's about it. That's all the questions I haven't or should have answered in video or whatever. So now I'm going to update this radar. And hopefully you can read what I'm doing, unlike that fucking guy. Not to be rude, but I'm seriously, I could read that from like a couple feet away, and I need glasses to see for. I'm just thinking about a way to optimize this. So right now I want to change that to root, get rid of all this. Change this and actually do get service, whoops, run service. Oh yeah, this new autocomplete, you have to leave out the second quote. I don't like it. There's a lot of things Roblox has been updating, like the animation thing, animation editor. I don't like it. I still have an old copy of it, so I'll just keep that. Thank you very much. Hopefully that doesn't ever get to take it down or whatever. I really don't like the new animation thing. Animation editor. So I haven't dealt with Region 3s a whole lot, but I think I can just do... Fuck, hold on. I already forgot this, so didn't need to do that. I'll just take this stuff real quick. There. Alright, so this is what I need. That's what I need. I'll just take that out for a second. Oops. With this, that. I don't want to get the ground. Should I get the ground? I'm not sure. I don't even know if that would get the ground or not. So that's that. I was training like a raycast for a second there. And instead of minus, we want to do plus there. So there we go. That is not complete, actually. Oh, it is. What arguments does it take? I don't remember. This is based, like, I'm doing this just now. Like, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to see what I struggle with. I don't deal with Region 3s all the time. I don't like the new look. Oh, they updated again. Thank God. I would have hated it if it stayed the same way, because it looked ugly as fuck the last time. Unless they still haven't updated this one. But so that's just, we want to go with this one. Arguments. So it takes that and that. Alright, good. So basically, obviously do the character. That's about it for now, unless you have something you want to ignore. You should add that to this table. And then this is, I'll put that at, hold on. This video is gonna be long, I can already tell. Yeah, it's already 16 minutes. There. So now you have that. Now we want to loop through each part, and I'm going to sneeze. It doesn't want to come out. So now with that, this is a much more viable or oh, there it is. Oh, sorry. This is a much more effective way of doing this. I'm tired. You don't need to put anything in a folder anymore. You could put stuff in a folder if you want to ignore it, or instead you could make a folder of all the stuff you want to find, and instead of using ignore list, you use a whitelist, and you put all the things you want in it to show or it to detect in there. So that actually should do it for now. Oh yeah. Just replacing those because they take extra unnecessary memory just to go through the parents and stuff like that. Alright, I don't see it anywhere else. Fuck. I spelt it wrong. Oh, good. There. The recorder's making it a whole lot laggier. But that's basically how you do it. And instead of making a dot representing where you are, like exactly, I would just suggest, how would that work? I would just suggest making a dot out here and then just centering it. Oh, my nose is starting to get runny for some reason, even though it's like 30 degrees out right now. And I mean Celsius, not Fahrenheit. That dike. I almost said dike. That dot isn't centered anymore. Let's go 95 and then 95. The only thing I like about this update is these, but everything else is kind of dumb. Like the new editor, how if you're using the animation editor and you click on it, then it's like gets out of the animation editor and causes errors. But that's if you're using the old one, which obviously if you do that, you complain about that, Roblox is gonna be fuck off, use our new shitty animator. Why make something damn it, hold on, let me restart. Why am I can't speak English today. Why not update something that works and people like, and just make an entirely new shit. Whatever. Another thing I would do for this, also get, how would this affect if I put a dummy in the world? Would you be able to see it? Yes, you would. So that kind of already shows where they are. Oh god, it's lagging a lot right now. So that works. I would suggest just toning this down, this up, so that at least when you spawn out of the sky, you actually have a radar right away. Ah, shit. I forgot to you want to turn on clip descendants, people. Clip descendants is very crucial. But when you rotate it, clip descendants doesn't work. Roblox. The only way I could see making... Oh shit, is it gonna crash? I think it's gonna crash. Stretching. The only way I could think of making rotation where when rotating you test whether or not the thing that's going to be displayed is going to go out of the frame by testing the distance there from the player. But if the part's real big, then that doesn't work, you know? So I think it'd be useful. I think my internet's acting up, that's why. So I think it'd just be useful to what was I talking about? I think it would just be useful to do that. Or just to not do rotation at all, because you don't need it. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you could understand this whole piece of shit I put together today.